in which we cover the explanation of the following topics.
What is music therapy? What is involved in music therapy? The powerful effect of music on brain.
And last,
How to do music therapy at home.
as you all watch the title of today's lecture, today we are going to discuss about a very interesting and well-known term. That is music therapy, in which we cover the explanation of the following topics.
What is music therapy? What is involved in music therapy? The powerful effect of music on brain.
And last,
How to do music therapy at home.
but before starting this lecture, make sure you subscribe to your free educational channel for upcoming knowledgeable videos. So, without wasting time, we start our discussion with our very first topic.
What is music therapy?
Music therapy is a type of expressive arts therapy that uses music to improve and maintain the physical, psychological, and social well-being of individuals.
Our second topic.
What is involved in music therapy?
It involves a wide range of activities such as listening to music, singing, and playing a musical instrument.
Our informative note.
Note, this type of therapy is facilitated by a trained therapist and is often used in hospitals, rehabilitation centers, schools, correctional facilities, nursing homes, and hospices.
A lot more information is waiting for you. Stay up till the end. Now we discuss about our third topic.
The powerful effect of music on mind.
Listening to music causes the brain to release dopamine, a feel-good chemical. Music acts as a distractor, focusing the attraction away from negative stimuli to something pleasant and encouraging. Music has the ability to alter breathing and heart rate. Music has the power to improve your state of mind. Music can help reduce the perception of pain.
And a lot more positive effect we can experience on our mind and body. Now, make a close focus towards our fourth and the last topic.
How to do music therapy at home.
First, choose your music based on the purpose of your therapy. For example, choose soft instrumental music or ocean sounds to relax. Or, for pain management, look for music which focuses your mind on things other than your pain or discomfort. Second, sit on a comfortable place and relax. Take deep breaths, close your eyes and let the sound of the music take over your thoughts. Third, listen and concentrate. Enjoy the music for 10-15 minutes as you allow your mind and body to relax and rejuvenate.
By applying these techniques, you can also do music therapy at home. And if you like all these information, please do share with your friends and relatives. Here we are ending the video. Make sure you like and share the video with everyone. Live a happy life. Thanks for watching.